Hi, my name is Dr. Natalia Kirish from Cumberland Family Chiropractic, and today I'm going to manually adjust a patient. Most of the patients who come here prefer to be adjusted on the computerized machine called Pro Adjuster, but sometimes some patients prefer to be adjusted manually, so I'll show you how we do it here in the office. So, alright. Take a deep breath in for me, please, and breathe out. Good. And again, deep breath in and breathe out. Good. Relax. Just gonna turn the head myself. Good. Good. Let's take a line on the left side. Thank you. Now bend this knee, this leg straight. Going to forward the arms. Okay. Take a deep breath in for me, please, and breathe out. Good. Let's take a line on the other side. Okay, take a deep breath in and breathe out. Good. Alright, let's take a line on your back. We'll check your hips too. Okay. Hold your leg out like this. Turn your foot out. Don't let me push it down. Good. Let's shift this leg. Turn it out. Don't let me push. No, your hips are good. And this is how it gets done. Thank you for watching.